Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo Fire Sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. What are the messages for Leo? Fire sign and what's going on. Eight of Cups, Nine of Swords and Six of Pentacles. It is a straight message that you walked away or you will. For some you already did it. And Eight of Cups. Yeah, there is no equal give and take in this connection. They treated you as an option or they ghosted you or they ignored you, they neglected you, whatever. There is no equal give and take. They treated you as a choice. Yeah. So you are feeling missed opportunity with them and you are feeling like you are getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person, you are depressed, you are in anxiety, and yes, you fed up with this energy, then you decided to move on, walk away. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Two of Pentacles, Cancer and High Priestess. So you were juggling and you decided to move on and you started listening to trust your intuition, because the Chariot, even though it is very difficult for you, you are trying to move on from this person, but it is very difficult because you are juggling here, you are getting a lot of thoughts. And present, Knight of Swords, Five of Pentacles and Temperance. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius or Cancer especially. So someone is rushing to communicate with you when you decided to move on. And Five of Pentacles, definitely they treated you as an option and they neglected you. That's why you decided to move on and you started giving priority yourself and you want to restore the balance within yourself. Yes, you are patiently waiting because Temperance is here, but someone is rushing to communicate with you. Then future, Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles and Five of Swords. Yes, I think I am seeing here two persons. One could be new and one could be past. But for some, maybe it could be only one person. But someone is coming towards you with lots of passion. But be careful with this person because knights always come and go. There is no clarity, there is no stability. But Knight of Pentacles, it could be a past person for some, it could be a new person. But this person is really serious about you this time. And right now in your relationship, still there are a lot of issues going, lot of fightings, lot of arguments. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Leo, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, Justice and Seven of Swords and Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they did hurt you in past. Maybe in past they lied to you, cheated on you. But now they're serious about you. Now they're coming back. They are coming back for second chances. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Libra. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Leo. King of Pentacles, Yeah, 7. This person may be sneaky for you, guys, Leo. There are trust issues. You are not trusting this person. And temperance. Yes, they are patiently waiting on you. And 7 of wands. They will fight for your attention. They will fight for your love, Leo. Now they are thinking about to offer stability because King of Pentacles is here. They want reconciliation with you. But again, definitely this person is not trustworthy, guys, because 7 of swords came twice. Then it's up to you. So let's see their intentions. That's why you walked away, because he says one thing and doing another things. There is no match between actions and words. Maybe you person Knight of Wands energy in and out of your life. But they're rushing to communicate with you. They're thinking about you a lot. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. For some, children's also involved in this connection. They want reconciliation with you. Yeah, 3 of Pentacles, Knight of Swords and the Emperor. For some, you person have ego problems also. Now they're coming back to work on this relationship. They're coming back for reconciliation. And there is communication is coming. But it's not trustworthy. Maybe again they're playing games with you. But they are in rush to communicate with you. With offer. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah. They want to fix the things between both of you. Yeah, they're suffering in silence. They ignored you. They treated you as an option. Now they are suffering in silence and they want passionate new beginnings with you. For some, the cycles between you and your person are going to be end. Yeah, wow. This person is not trustworthy, guys. Again, 7 of Swords. Definitely one person playing games with other person in this connection. Yes, they always giving you false hope. And 10 of Cups and the Star and Judgment. You are in the process of some making decision. Maybe you are seeing life in a very positive way without this person. Yes. You are not trusting this person. Leo. Yeah, you are in the process of making decisions, a major judgment. The Lovers, I think it's about more physical. And Ace of Pentacles. So now they are coming back to offer commitment, but you are in the process of making decision. Definitely some major decision. This is mutual energy, especially for commitment, marriage. Justice, yeah, they're coming back for second chances, Leo, but it's up to you totally. If you let them in, there will be reconciliation. Otherwise, no reconciliation. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I realized my mistake. This person is sneaky. Same red flags again, showing again. I'm crazy about you. Twin flames. For some, you both are in twin flame journey and family issues, and I can't let you go. So the messages are: I realized my mistake. This person is sneaky. I'm crazy about you. Twin flames, family issues, and I can't let you go. Nothing is at in stone. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck, guys. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn, Capricorn energy. So if you are going through tough cycle right now in your life, it is going to be end very soon, especially when new moon in Capricorn. The message. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo, Leo energy. So don't show your attitude or pride anyone. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.